behind me is Koh Panyee, which is the largest island in Phang Nga Bay. And in there is Mangrove Cave, which is awesome. You can walk through the cave and get to a massive lagoon, which is amazing. But we're not here for that. Oh, no, 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 no. So, behind me, James Bond Island from the man with the golden gun. Nice, isn't it? But we're not here for that. Hello! Welcome to Koh Panyee, one of Thailand's most unique floating villages. Today, we're going to explore a story of resilience, innovation, and a community as we visit their famous floating football pitch. Now, it started as a small, humble project with local kids, and the last couple of weeks it's had a full renovation, and now it's better than ever. So, Koh Panyee is home to an amazing community that built their lives entirely on the water. So today we're going to dive into the history of this village and how it became one of the world's most unique football pitches. Let's go. Wanna go? Man. There's lots of cats on Koh Panyee. Hello, cat. Meow meow. So, Koh Panyee, not only does it have a floating football pitch, which you're going to get to in a minute, but it also has all these cool little back markets and little nicks and knacks you can buy. Look, there's fridge magnets, there's t-shirts, there's necklaces, there's all sorts of, there's beads. Everyone loves some beads, don't we? Look, and some toys, some heffalumps. That's an octopus, I think, or a squid, don't really know. Oh, these are cool. This is awesome. Ready? I can make the noise of a frog. Am I doing this right? Gop, 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 gop. Ribbit, ribbit. Lady's not happy with me. There you go. Koh Panyee, more than just a floating football pitch. It's got knickknacks. Oh look, fruit drinks. There's everything here. Elephant trousers. They're cool. Hello, Swaddy Cup. And look, even, that is, you can buy, that is a whole, look, that's James Bond Island, that's Koh Panyee. You get a whole t-shirt and shorts. This is a good merch idea, isn't it? We should steal this idea. I like it. Right, let's go find this football pitch. Look, there's even a sign. The floating football pitch. 50 metres, I'm guessing that says. So, in the 1980s, a group of kids passionate about football found a really creative way to play their favourite sport in a village with no solid ground. How did they do it? Well, they used old bits of wood and fishing rafts, and they built the first ever version of the floating football pitch. So, since those early days, the floating football pitch has become a symbol of Koh Panyee's resourcefulness. Over the years, it's evolved into a proper football ground. Look, it attracts players from around the world, apparently. Even Messi, Ronaldo, and now, leshark. That's right. So, of course, I couldn't come and visit Koh Panyee without having a little kickabout. So, I've got my ball. It's going to come to me now. Look at that. There's the ball. Let's go and have a little kickabout. Woo! Oi. I have to say, it's a bit bubbly. Oh, hang on, we're getting that. That's not bad, is it? Yay! Let's check this out. Oh no! Right, we'll do that bit again. Hold on, keep recording. There it is. Ah! Okay, it took 2 attempts. Now this pitch is awesome, but I would bring shoes because it's a bit hot on the old feetsies. But that's all right. And come this way, come this way, come this way. You do have to watch out. It is slightly. There's a few divots, let's say, but this pitch is awesome. Really hot. So, Koh Panyee's floating football pitch, it's more than just a place to play. It's a testament to the creativity and determination of this incredible community. From its humble beginnings to this beautiful renovated pitch, it's a reminder of what can be achieved with just a little imagination and a lot of heart. So, thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Be sure to subscribe to the 5 Star Marine YouTube channel, like and subscribe and all that sort of jazz, and check out all of our social media accounts. Yay! Bye bye, Koh Panyee! You've been awesome! Bye!